It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top shelf service to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. See and you'll be amazed. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.